Welcome to this elegant shabby chic home tour on a budget. If you love vintage charm, distressed furniture, and romantic decor but don't want to spend a fortune, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to achieve that timeless, elegant shabby chic look with affordable DIY hacks, thrifted treasures, and budget-friendly decor ideas. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's step into this dreamy home makeover. Let's start with the heart of the home, the living room. The key to achieving shabby chic elegance is layering soft textures, muted tones, and vintage details. Instead of buying new furniture, consider thrifting and repainting. This gorgeous coffee table was a $15 flea market find, transformed with a coat of chalk paint and light distressing. Floral slip covers and ruffled pillows instantly make any space feel more romantic and cozy. And you can find them at thrift stores or even DIY your own using vintage fabric. Soft lighting is a must. This antique-inspired chandelier, a $30 thrift store steal. Always check secondhand shops for affordable lighting pieces that add vintage charm. Shabby Chic Kitchen is all about creating a warm, welcoming space with vintage elements. And the best part? You don't need a full remodel. The headboard was actually a $20 flea market find. If you're on a budget, look for secondhand furniture and give it new life with a fresh coat of paint. Antique-style mirrors make a space feel bigger and more elegant. This one, found at a garage sale for $10 and repainted for a fresh, shabby chic look. Upcycle old glass bottles into gorgeous vintage-inspired decor. Just add some faux flowers or dried lavender for a charming touch. By mixing DIY projects, secondhand treasures, and affordable vintage decor, you can create a cozy, romantic space without breaking the bank. Which room was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you love these budget-friendly shabby chic ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more vintage decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. you.